Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iGolden Arrows. Okuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates ngoba bafuna ukubuyela on their winning ways. And they are going to face a very dangerous Golden Arrows side who are playing ibhola elihle elisimanga. Bakhothwa nje uManqoba Mnqethi. uManqoba Mnqethi ke uyawazi Orlando Pirates. So le game le ngeke ibe lula for Orlando Pirates. So la lineup mina engayisetha mase ngiswela ithuba. Yabo, yilona lineup le engayisetha wena ungangitshela yakho kuma comments. Ungayigxeke yami but ke ungitshele yakho kuma comments uthi izoba njani. Ngixolise bafethu angikho right ngine flu but ke ngizozama ukuyishaya eyami lineup. Ungangitshela wena yakho kuma comments uthi ngabe iyiphi. Ngizoqala nje epalini angifuni ukuyalina le game ibaleke kakhulu. Yabo, every game manje siyithatha as i-final. Each and every game esiyidlala kwi-Premier Premiership mele siyithathe as i-final, singadembeseli, singawathathi kancane ama teams, because if we keep on taking these teams lightly singathola ama draw, sithola ama loss, isidingo singekho. Kumele ngabe pick up ama points, sithola 3 points sibe on top of league. Ngamqalisa ke mina uSipho Chain, he is capable of delivering for Orlando Pirates. Umchida knows what to do epalini. Mase ukuthi kuma center backs angifuni ukushintsha futhi kakhulu. So udlala against iGolden Arrows which they are very good in ma counter attacks. Ma counter attacks bayakwazi ukutholana ngempela. Once wa commit nje they know how to kill you. Golden Arrows ishisa ngempela bafethu. So lapha emuva kumele senze sure ukuthi sinabadlali abazokwazi ukuthi bayibambe zeqini. Umbokazi beno CM ke they are capable of doing that. Ungangitshela wena center back pairing yakho ungayiqalisa kanjani, but ke akumele shintshe izinto eziningi. Kumele nje lapha emuva siqine kanje. Akumele nje siloke siyalena le, because lento yokuyalena le iyona le esenza sithathwa ama team kancane, ama team agcine sesishaya. Yabo, mase kuthi iback 4 isiphelele Lebitso ngamqalisa kule game uLebitso. I think uLebitso kumele ayiqale le game le ukuqalisa umdlali ozohamba ephambili kakhulu. I think le nto izosicosta mase ubheka indlela edlala ngakhona eGolden Arrows, because they know how to counter attack, to counter attack. Yabo, angifuni isidefender kakhulu but kumele sidlalisa abadlali abazoba cautious, abadlali abazokwazi ukuboya emuva bezosiza i-team defend. I know umjida lo CM uyakwazi ukuthi adjust adlale as right back mekhuphukile lo mjida lo uLebitso, but we need players abazokwazi ukuthi babuye emuva bazosiza i-team mase kushubile. Same as uDion Hot. uDion Hot uneyinkinga zakhe bafethu, but ke he's a big player. Yabo, he's a big name, he's a big player for Orlando Pirates, so you need the likes of Dion Hot. Maybe some people were going to choose Undaba in that position, but again, currently I don't think kumele siqalise Undaba. In a game like this, what if Undaba makes mistakes against a very hot Golden Arrows? Don't you think Orlando Pirates ama-fans azomxaka kakhulu Undaba lapho? So I don't think kumele simqalise Undaba ngaleyo ndlela. Yes, he is a good player, but currently I think umjeda yabo ukusamela athole lawo ama-minutes nalawo ma-minutes esithi kumbona kahle hle. Khona ama-games umjeda azowaqala, but ke kule I think le izobaleka kakhulu. Yabo, kumele nje siqalise uDion Hot. Yona back 4 yami ke le. Ungangitshela wena yakhe back 4 izobe injani. Yabo, mase sithi number 6 ngaqalisa uSihle Nduli, the player. This player bafethu ngiyamthanda lo mjida lo, indlela adlala ngakhona, indlela ayulwela ngakhona iOrlando Pirates. Last game was sidlala neSundowns, indlela alwe ngakhona. You need these kinds of players playing for Orlando Pirates. You need the people who will fight for the badge. Number 6 wami bafethu ngizomqalisa mina uSihle Nduli. Makhehleni Makhawula ngizwile kuthiwa ngenzeka abe khona, but ke in a game like this you need the likes of uSihle Nduli. Maybe Makhehleni Makhawula might get some minutes second half, but again mina Sihle Nduli I trust him to deliver umsebenzi lapha avimbe abafana beGolden Arrows lawa abancane abashisayo. Yabo, Manqoba Mnqethi nje ngalibona lidlalayo la. Ase ukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe uSihle Nduli. Guys, le game ngiyidlalele phansi ngayibuka, ngicabangile le game le ngayibuka, ngabo ama matches eGolden Arrows. iGolden Arrows iyashisa and eswini miyasisize sithambile iGolden Arrows ingasibulala. Yabo, ingasiqeda ngempela. So I know vele ucoach uzomfaka uNemtajela, kube kuya ngihambe ngizomfaka mina uMphatha, but ke there's a hidden agenda esingayazi between the coach and uMphatha. Asazi uNemtajela phela wasuka naye le kwiMarumo Gallants, umdlali amthandayo, umdlali ayemsebenzisa kakhulu kwiMarumo Gallants. So he likes the way uNemtajela edlala ngakhona. So ngizomqalisa uNemtajela because I know for a fact that the coach will start uNemtajela. Mase kuNemtajela ngizomdlalisa bonobani, ngizomdlalisa noSipho Mbuli. I don't think playing with a double 8 is a good thing. Ningizwe kahle bafethu, I don't think playing with a double 8 is a good thing, because we have strikers who need to score goals. When you are playing with a double 8, ngeke izikwazi ukusutha leyo nto mesifuna ukukora amagoli kakhulu phambili. Mase ubheke the leading goal scorers, you won't find any Orlando Pirates player there in the leading goal scorers kwi-Betway Premiership because asiwa create ama-chances amaningi, siflethe eswini, yabo asinayo i-creativity. We need a creative number 10 like uSipho Mbuli. I think starting uSipho Mbuli might give us an edge and create some goals, yabo. So mina ngamqalisa uSipho Mbuli as number 10. Maybe the coach will start with Tito Maswanganyi, you know the coach, yabo, asazi. But again, if it was up to me, I would start these players eswini, balazi ibhola, bayakwazi ukuthi kudlalwe kanjani, yabo. Ngibona nje uSihle Nduli lo mjida lo nemtajela mase kuba uSipho Mbuli. Wena wangitshela ke wena number 3 yakho, engine yakho ungayisitha kanjani? Engine yami iyona ke le, yabo, iyona engine yami mina le engadlala ngayo. Bengamdlalisa uMbatha but that's a story for another day. I always speak on Umbatha, but yeah, some fans claim, well, we must forget about Umbatha. There's a hidden Umbatha. When you can tell me in the comments, how do you feel about Umbatha? Because the more we don't play Umbatha, the more we lose points, the more we lose games. I don't think abantu abaningi ba understand the logo. They like ibhola elihle must equal to results. Where are the results? We are out of Champions League right now. Where are the results? We didn't win against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Where are the results? But again, let's move forward. Ngeke ma wingers ku-wing engaqalisa abafethu, ngaqalisa abantu uTshepo Morim as right winger. Ngaqalisa uTshepo Morim as right winger. Mase ukuthi left winger ngaqalisa abantu Osuna Police. Sine attack deadly kakhulu. I don't think ikhona i-team ekhona ku-Betway Premiership ene attack edluli Orlando Pirates. Yabona mase ubheke nje i-attack esinayo bafethu, ayikho i-team efika kwizinga le-Orlando Pirates nge-attack. Left and right bakushaya ngapha bakushaye ngapha. Tshepa Moremi last game umjidi ubethuli kakhulu, umdawu bempela bemvalile, but ke kule game ye-Arrows ngifuna umjida abuyele kwi-score sheet. Osuna Police naye ngifuna abuyelele kwi-score sheet. He was very good Osuna Police. Ngithandile indlela adlala ngakhona against the Mamelodi Sundowns. He was able to drift inside, yabo, act as a number 10 because like him basically now number 10, but Osuna Police knew how to drift inside and play that position as a number 10. Umjidi uyakwazi ukudlala as a number 10. Maybe we must convert Osuna Police kubuye umfuke ngadlala si-wing, asazi. Iwona ama-wingers lawo engawaqalisa mina. Iwona nje ama-wingers engawaqalisa. Mase kuthi striker sami up front ngaqalisa lo mjida lo uMbuthuma. Ngaqalisa uMbuthuma. Ungangitshela ke wena ama comments ungaqalisa ba, I think uMbuthuma kumele ayiqale le game. Kumele athola amagoli. Mjida uyadlala. For me, he's that striker we need currently. Makgopo umnandi, but ku game kanje we need a goal poacher. You need a goal scorer like ubani lo mjida lo. Maybe starting with Makgopo might be another good idea because when you look at the Golden Arrows, they like to play ibhola emuva. Naye umjida uyakwazi ukustopa amabhola yabo adlalwa ile emuva. So ungangitshela nama comments iyipi iline up ongayikhetha. Na iline up yami mina. Yabo uvane lo bafethu ungangitshela ama comments.